What is up, my baby dolls? You are a yummy plate full of scrambled eggs. Yes, you are. That's what we had for breakfast. What are you having for breakfast today, friends? Look, when crypto capitulates, you're going to see some blood. It's going to be a bit teary. The Bitcoin price doesn't look too concerning at all. I mean, like, if it capitulates to like 58K, there's nothing to be concerned about. However, this is just something to think about, friends, because Bitcoin might have lowered volatility. So on the chart, everything looks fine. Of course, on the chart, everything looks fine. But this is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes back down to like 58 or 50 or something, everything's going to look okay. The problem is not everyone's in Bitcoin. The problem is a lot of people are in stuff where it was their turn to make money, except if you're early. You see, a lot of people, friends, I'm just telling you right now, I'm just being truthful. There are heaps of people, especially in my Telegram, I'm seeing Twitter everywhere. People genuinely believe that they've bought up a meme coin. It's like 100 million, 600 million market cap. They've gone up 100x, 500x, right? Not their portfolio, but the coin's gone up that much. They genuinely think they're going to all make another 30 to 100x from here. And you look at it, you're like, wait a minute. I don't think so, man. You're all exit liquidity. It's very obvious. But look, I don't go around just telling people that, because what are they going to say? They go, oh, if you were so smart, you would have been on these coins from before. I'm going to listen to the guy who was. And that's why I don't bother talking to them, friends. But these people, they are just seasons. You know, the seasons change all the time. These people are not here for a real reason, except to be exit liquidity and food for everybody else. So I'm here just to warn you, right? If you've bought AI coins after they've done 40x, which a lot of you have, okay? See, there was a gentle friend asking once in the comment section, they go, hey, Somi, how come you haven't done all the research on other stuff? And friends, just to tell you for the 10th time, I love you and appreciate you. Let's play some angel music for this person. I am in AI. I am in gaming. I am in all of them, friends. I have good exposure. You can't get in, though. They are launchpad stuff. I've told you, though. Look, I've already told you. If you want to participate, join VVV Launchpad. You can participate in paid Launchpad. I'm doing as much as I can to help you. If you want that participation stuff, I mean, we did Drift ICO. We've done Clip Finance. You know, we're just throwing stuff everywhere. So just giving you an idea, friends. I remember Clip Finance is AI. These types of opportunities are there. However, I don't talk about them a lot, man. That's it. When they're here and you can do something, sweet. Friends, I'm not getting paid, man. I'm in the trenches with you. They're not paying me to do anything. Like, it's literally, look, I'm not going to name names, but if you go back and just watch all the other influencers on YouTube, when they talk about stuff and the coin's not out, why do you think they're, friends? Why do you think they're getting why do you think they're talking about things that aren't out yet? Oh, golly gee, I wonder if they got paid. I wonder if they got paid an allocation. I wonder if they're in the angel investor allocation with 100K or 200K clip, friends. They all are. Of course, they all are. And they keep talking about it. They think AI. Oh, we got this or we got that. No, they didn't, friends. It's just, what they do is, they're on side 10x and then they get in something and then does an 80% move and they go, see, it's going up. Man, you're buying the tops, man. You're buying the tops. But you don't believe it until everything rinses out. That's what might be coming later on. I guess we'll see. Okay, we'll see. But you got to be careful. We're still bullish. So if you're new out there, a lot of people will think that, okay, if you're not bullish, therefore you get out. No, man. There's things change with the seasons and the cycles. That's it. Yes, the Bitcoin and Ethereum constant are still there, but the narratives and where everyone's flocking to, that changes around, okay? So, yes, a lot of you, I've seen, I love AI, friends, of course. I've got some AI ICOs and stuff. Just telling you now, entering AI coins after they've gone up 40x, you are not early, man. You're not early, not even close to being early, okay? You are exit liquidity for the bear market people. They're up 40 times their money from the bear market low. They've broken their all-time high. So, look, I hope by the end of the cycle they keep going up, but you're not going to get your cute little 30x from that point. Good luck. There's also the issue of people in Solana meme coins. All right, now that's why I've got to talk to you guys. Yes, friends, of course, there's money in Solana. You're buying all the Joe Boat and all these other things. I'm just telling you now, you are all going to get obliterated. Just every single person. You are the exit liquidity. Congratulations to everybody who bet on it before, who got in early. Yes, they are early. You are not in early. Friends, there are some shot callers here and there. They're starting to get famous because they're flashing P&Ls and stuff here and there, friends. Remember, I've told you, flashing P&L is a very dangerous warning sign. When you start people flashing their wallets, flashing their P&L, you know, on Coinfessions Rekt, there are multiple people bragging about their money. There was some 19-year-old kid. He's made $85,000 and he's bought 2 Toyotas in the month. And he pretty much, everyone's like, it's pretty funny. So he basically, in his message as well, you can just tell, friends, he said, my next step is 6 figures and then 7 figures. I'm going to kill it. I'm going to crush it. And I'm just thinking like, man, I hope you are out of your meme coin. I hope they're all stacked in like Sol. I'm not even guaranteed their friends. Look, you've seen this time and time again. You always got to go to where the thing's going to be next. You don't know when exactly next. You just know, okay, roll 10 narratives. If you are buying cheap, the next 10 narratives, you'll participate in one of them. And you'll get a big moonshot. Everybody else keeps chasing the tops. They got no chance, man. You'll see. You'll see, friends. Also, there are a lot of people buying derivative coins on Coinbase, third, fourth, fifth derivative, friends. Just let tell you something, okay? The market move that we just saw. Let's play some pump music for these people as well. The market moves we just seen is the market pricing in adoption for Coinbase. Okay, so you know people are saying when retail gets here, when retail gets here. No. Retail doesn't need to get here. You got here. You are buying those coins up. They are already up heaps, 100 million, 500 million, 600 million market cap. You are the exit liquidity. You are what people were playing for 5-6 months ago. You are the food. You see that? They're like, oh, I think people are going to come to retail from Coinbase land and everyone's going to come and on board. Yeah, it happened, right? You put the money in. They don't even need to come and buy the stuff anymore. So, they're sorry, like you're going to get wrecked. This is pretty much what happens. Now, look, when these things rotate, there's a problem though, because these people are going to be sitting on big losses, huge losses. I'm watching these people, but see, you might think of it, oh, it's only 50% down once these things happen. No. People aren't entering with $600 lottery ticket sizes up the top. They've rotated their core position to take another 50% hit, which hasn't come yet, okay, and even deeper, all right? So these people will be fading away into obscurity when the next narrative doesn't capture their bags. Let's have a look at this Spider-Man. He's sitting between the chair. I got my Spidey senses tingling. So yes, the next narrative is going to come out. They're not going to be capturing it because we're here in 2023. Arbitrum layer 2, you had the GMX protocol narratives gone. Lido DAO staked Ethereum, also gone. You also said GambleFi, also gone. You also had Shibarium, mini dog season, which was about 14 months ago, also gone. All these seasons, friend, they go, right? Some of them are powerful. The Solana one has been very powerful, but yeah, that's the funny part. It's crazy. Isn't that crazy, man? It's been going on for like 6 months now, 5-6 months, and no one thinks, man, this is like high. This is expensive. We've been running for too long. No one thinks that. I think that, okay? What's the crowd thinking? They said it's just getting started. The market is telling us that this is the real season of crypto. This is what altcoins are going to do. This is where it's all going to go to, and it's all coming in here. We'll see, man. We'll see, friends. Just keep buying up these meme coins. Look, we have meme coins. That's great. However, I want meme coins on something that's cheap, okay? You want to be buying Bonk when Solana was 20 bucks. You don't want to be buying Joe Biden coin up 600 million market cap when Solana's near 200 bucks. You understand? Solana's already done the 10x. So, for example, same with Pulse Chain, right? You don't want to be buying HOA, DickWifButt, and all these other meme coins if Pulse is like 15x higher from today, 10x above day one. It's like, you don't want to be buying there the first time. Absolutely not. There will be memes continuing to move, but that's the rotation of the cycle. Okay, you don't want to be buying up there. You want to be in a seller mindset up there on average, okay? But look, like I said, friends, you're going to learn. It's just people learn the easy way or the hard way. Okay, so your faith will be tested. Look at this. Your faith will be tested. That's why you need conviction. You have to have conviction. And guess what? Friends, these people don't believe in AI. If you believed in AI, you would have been in a year ago. You would have been in 2022, 2023, buying AI in the past 4 or 5 months. You don't believe in it, okay? You saw NVIDIA rally. You think, oh, AI is the future. It's doing something. Yeah, it is, friends. I love AI. I'm telling you now, give me a cheap price. I want a cheap price. I don't want to be buying back of your neck type of momentum plays, which you all know is going to get you absolutely wrecked. On average, you're going to underperform. On average, because you're the exit liquidity, man. Now, I'm going to use the winning coin here, for example, Fetch. This is the winning AI coin, okay? It's gone up heaps. So, see what I mean? Look, I've even drawn here where I would actually get in. So, look at this, man. You're not early anymore, man. You went and did a 45x in a straight line. 45x. By the way, do you still want AI if it does a 75% drop? Look how much these things drop from 78%. Look at this stuff. This was 90%. This was, of course, this is bear market, but look at this. This dope is 70%. So let's see if you still want AI if it comes back to here, right? You can also, friends, look at this. Just to teach you something, okay? This is cool. So Bittensor got listed on Binance, okay? Bittensor, TAO, T-A-O. Look what happened, okay? As soon as it got listed, look at that. That was a spike up, and there you go, come back down. So it's funny. There are actually people buying on Binance listings now. Like if you have you learned nothing? Okay, but I know what happens. Just the momentum bots. Okay, this is pretty much it. See it comes back down here and comes back and rejects. You actually see it right on the actual spike up. See, oh yes, we got, look at this, friends. The thing is, you got a Binance listing and then you finished red for that 4 hour. Explain that one. Well, you know why. It's because all the buyers are done, man. You've exhausted the buyers. Pretty much that's it. You know what's funny? When we go up here, I can't believe, friends, people actually think they're early. Man, you're buying up something 25x, 15 billion fully diluted. How much are you expecting to grow from here? Another 10x? Good luck. What, you're going to be flipping a third of the size of Ethereum? Your AI coin that does nothing? Like, it's just... But see, this rationale thinking, okay, you can't mid-curve yourself. We're in a lot of coins. Yeah, they don't do anything. However, they haven't moved up. That's it. They have not given premium prices. So where would you go from here? Look, I'm saying if you really want Bittensor, you'll like it. This is what I want to do. Watch it between 200 and 400. If you really want that, I would check that out. And guess what, friends? These things can lay you out for a long time. It could rally at the end of the year, touch this, and then come back down later. So these things basically, look, I guarantee you, all the people cheering on these AI coins, when the cheap prices come, they're not going to be talking about them because they're not going to be center stage. It's going to be another narrative. So it's very obvious, right? You speak to anybody there, they don't actually like the chains. They don't actually like the coins. They just want to join in on the green candles and the foment. That's okay. That's okay. That's what everyone here is for. However, to get the green candle basically benefits, you got to buy the red candles. Okay, you got to buy on the red candles when no one looking, when no one wants it. Go check my comment section, friends. How many times people, even that, look, I just repeat, friends. I'm doing fine. We've got ICOs, we've got gaming, we've got exposure everywhere. We're doing absolutely fine. It's just that you can't get in them. I don't want to throw stuff in your face. I'm not getting paid, man. All these other grifters you guys are listening to, okay, not you, friends. Of course, 99% of you are fine. It's the soy drinkers. Soy drinkers are watching these grifters thinking they're getting the opportunity of your lifetime. Dude, you're literally buying tops. You don't know you're buying tops right now. You think you're getting the deal of a lifetime. You're not, man. There's kids making millions and millions of dollars. They've been pumping and dumping these meme coins out here. They haven't dumped yet, but you get to see, and everyone thinks, oh, wow, this is just the future. Yeah, friends, when it comes to meme coins, you can't just go buy any meme coin at any time. You know that, right? You need an advantage. For example, DickWifButt. Okay, now what's the thesis behind DickWifButt? I call it the Dickening. All right, the Dickening stems from Pulse Chain is undervalued, which is leverage on Ethereum. So we need Ethereum to go up. Then Pulse Chain goes up. And then DickWifButt just continues to gain strength because of all these other relative things. Cumrocket is only 15 million market cap. Okay, so I have all of these levels here. The Dickening. So you can see this narrative and this thesis come out. It's not expensive yet. It's only a couple of million market cap. There are people literally buying up things, 600 million valuation, going up and up and up and up. They're turbo shooting all the mainstream influencers. I mean, good luck, man. Good luck. You're going to find out, friends. Look, this is just so you know, right? Things stay high until a catalyst. What's the catalyst? We don't know. It could be Bitcoin trades back at 58K and there's bad news programmed in. And then you're going to see the hyper downside volatility of these things. Slap, 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 slap. You realize, oh my gosh, there was no bids. People don't like buying dips, man. People don't just like buying the momentum candles. So stay long, stay strong. We're still bullish. Very, very bullish on the industry, of course. However, there's going to be a rotation. Of course there's a rotation. There's always a rotation. Rotation of the narrative. People got bored. We've exhausted stuff in here. That's pretty much it, okay? Now, I'm just waiting for blood. That's it. If you want to redeploy stuff, I'm waiting for just people to literally scream and say, oh my gosh, it's over, right? Which is kind of crazy. Like, how's a $58,000 or $55,000 Bitcoin going to get people to say it's over? But then you realize, no, it's not Bitcoin that's the problem. It is going to be the meme coins and altcoins, which are running on fluff. They don't have a strong community. They don't have, you'll see, friends, you'll see. When the community is small, it's easy to keep everybody there. Everybody's a strong hand, right? For example, you know, everybody in meme coins, a lot of them on Pulse Chain are strong because, you know, Pulse Chain itself is getting destroyed in price. So everybody's still sticking in the meme coins there. You know, it's just a powder keg, ready to blow one day, right? But with all these other meme coins, how are they going to like their meme coins if Solana goes back down to $90? What are they going to do? What are they going to say? You know what I mean? It's not 180 to 200, but it's that $90. And maybe there's a Phantom season. Maybe there's a Pulse Chain season. Maybe there's a BNB season. Maybe there's just something else out there. How are they going to be thinking about it? You know for a fact they're not going to be betting on it resurging out there. But that's how you get the tops and the bottoms, right? The emotional crowd, buying the tops and selling the bottoms. You have to do the inverse of that. That's why you only need one home run, friends. One home run. Look, I've already seen some horrible portfolio rotations, but they don't know that's horrible yet. You'll see. You'll see. Look, man, you're going to learn the hard way once again. If you are getting investment advice from YouTubers with over 100K followers who are bragging about 2 to 3x mentioned calls when it's just their audience buying, and things at like 3 billion, 4 billion market cap, 600 million market cap after they've run up 50x already, like some of them have. You're bragging about getting in there. Guess what? The market's going to brag that, oh, haha, you thought it was different again. You should have been selling when you should have been buying. It's going to happen all over again. But we're staying long, staying strong. There's plenty to be positive. Okay? We're going to keep powering on. Make sure you like, subscribe, belly button all.